Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope everyone is doing fine. Hope everyone is feeling blessed. Shout out to all the hard-working people. Shout out to the people with 2 jobs. Shout out to the single parent. Shout out to everybody, man. Just lift your spirit, lift your vibration, feel good, feel blessed. Okay? But I just want to show you guys a little about composting. Alright? In this pile, this is where I add tree trunk, leaves, trees, dry trees, all these kind of leaves, trees. I cut them and just throw them in here. And just leave them. I do not add meat. I do not add nothing to this. I just allow nature to cut it down. Okay? So when you do this, there's a lot of things gonna create inside this naturally from nature itself. Okay? You see in all different kind of ants. You see in all different kind of, all different type. You have worms, you have everything is inside this. Okay? Naturally, we have worms, we have ants, we have everything. When you allow these things, look at what's going on, these things to work for itself, it creates a super soil. It helps you to create this super soil. A lot of things you adding in the compost, you really don't need it. These things will break down this thing for itself and in a natural form. So when you take this and you add it to your soil, here we go. Beautiful natural compost. So regardless to what, you don't need to add anything, honestly. Some people add worms, that's cool. That's cool. But for me, I let nature do the work. And when nature do the work, everything comes natural. So everything breaking down. These are the leaves. Look at what's going on here. All these was dry leaf and all these things. Rotten tree trunk, as you can see. And everything is just breaking down for itself. Okay? Naturally breaking down for itself. Look, this even trying to grow. You know, but this is what I'm talking about, guys. You could make compost, you just got to have patience. You see, look how it breaking down for itself here. What, you see? All this start breaking down for itself. So you really, all you need to do is just add the grass, the leaf, the wood chip, and everything gonna add itself. Everything that's need to break this down gonna add for itself. Okay? So this is how I do it. Everybody do it in a different form, but I rather nature breaking it down for me. Sometimes we try to rush things and instead of we help, we cause more harm. Okay? So just have a little patience. Well, this is for the people who have access to this. Not everyone have access. But you see, all this gonna break down and become compost. Look at this. This is a rotten tree trunk. You see it have ants. It have everything that's in there, that's needed to be in there, that's gonna break it down. So I ain't gotta worry about adding meat and all this thing. So this is my compost pile. Nothing added. The only thing added is grass, bushes, tree trunks. This is how I build my compost naturally. This is how I start building my compost with leaves and everything, and over the years I have created a super soil, rich super soil for raised bed, for container garden, for whatever. You could even use this and throw around the plant like how you throw fertilizer, because this is rich. This have everything inside of it that's it need. So this is my compost pile. This is what I use. Everything natural, never add anything to it, and it start breaking down for itself. Look at here, you can see for yourself. These are leaves. These are dry leaves that I have here, but everything gonna start breaking down. By the end of this year, for next fall, this gonna be compost right here to feed the garden. Okay, so this is what I use to create my own compost. Peace and love, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hit the like button, subscribe if you didn't subscribe before. Blessings to all.